Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you tips to get the Buttercup seed faster and grow a garden game of Roblox new Buttercup quest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically, in this update, we just need to plant and harvest the Buttercup flowers. And if we want to get the seed, we need to go to the seed shop and then we can buy the Buttercup seed right here. But the problem is the Buttercup seed is not always there. For example, now it has no stock. So it will be hard for us to get the Buttercup flower faster. So guys, if you want to get it faster, you need to have the pink bunny in your garden. I have two pink bunnies which can help me getting the buttercup seed. As you can see, pink bunny munched my buttercup and give me the buttercup seeds. Okay. And you can get the pink bunny from the buttercup chest. You will have 25% chance or possibility to get the pink bunny. You can go to the shop and you can buy the chest. And if you're lucky, you will get the pink bunny. And for this update, I would like to recommend you to have more pink bunnies so you can get the buttercup seed faster. Okay guys, and that's all the tips from me to get the buttercup seed faster and grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.